Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iRobot Roomba Plus 505. This works with the 500 series Roombas, the 400 series Roombas like the 405, and the 700 series Roombas as well. So first thing you have to do, make sure that your Roomba is on. Ours is on, and we're going to hold down the home button for 5 seconds. Then we're going to press and hold the home button and the power button until it factory resets. So let's go ahead, let's do that right now. So we just got that chime.
To factory reset Roomba, press the home and power buttons again and hold for 5 seconds.
So we're going to do that right now. Listen to the voice prompt.
Starting factory reset.
Now we can let go.
Factory settings restored.
So there we go. We had the voice prompt. It said factory settings restored. Currently the lights are flashing. Now they're off. And now they're back on. So it's simple and straightforward. Basically, hold down the home button for 5 seconds until you hear a voice prompt letting you know that you can press the hold and power button again to factory reset. Then go ahead and do that till you hear the voice prompt again.
Powering on.
And you're all set and ready to go. It'll cycle through a powering on, which it's doing right now. The lights are solid, and that's it. That's how you factory reset the iRobot Roomba Plus 505.